Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide chat on WhatsApp. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Have you ever felt the need to keep the curtain WhatsApp conversation hidden from prying eyes? In today's world, keeping your conversation private is a real concern. Whether it's private conversation with a loved one or a sensitive work-related discussion, fortunately, WhatsApp offers a variety of ways to conceal conversation, guaranteeing your privacy. And in this video, I will show you how to do it step by step. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now, for the first way, you can hide your chat by archive. So first of all, you can choose the chat that you want to hide. I will choose this one for the example. You can tap on hold on the chat and you will see there is a archive icon on here. You can just tap on that. So your chat will be hidden on your chat list on WhatsApp. And if you want to find that hidden chat, you can just tap on archive. If you want to unarchive, you can tap on hold and tap on here. So your chat will be unarchived. But what if you want to log from hide from anyone so no one can see even on your archive? Here's the second way. You can choose on the chat. You can open the profile chat. You can scroll down. There is an option chat lock. You can tap on that. You can enable the chat lock by tap on the toggle. Now tap on OK. You can enter your fingerprint or lock. Now this chat is locked. Can go back. As you can see, there's no more the chat, and also there's no archive section on your WhatsApp chat. To see the hidden chat, you can just tap on lock chat, enter your fingerprint or code, and you can see here's your log chat that you've hid from your chat list on WhatsApp. So simple, right? So that is how to hide chat on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.